Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Welcome everyone, and welcome to all my new subscribers, my existing subscribers. As always, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so today guys, we have a Born Pretty unboxing to do. I'm tapping while I'm looking for my scissors. If you were thinking, is this going to be ASMR? I'm sorry, it's not. So I'm just going to get all this off. And you know when you get the colors but then you forget what you chose. So I'm so excited to do this. Like, this package came today, so shout out to the delivery guy who used his initiative and put it in the safe place. Okay, so if you remember my last PR unboxing, I got some liquid chrome. Now I know what this is. This is the spider gel, and I unboxed this as well. I did get another one so that, you know, because it's clear, you can mix colors into it, glitters into it, you know, so I just want to have one for that. And then I'm going to do a little thing probably with this to show you just something else you can do with it. Okay, yeah, I really tried to open that like the Hulk, but that didn't work. Okay, so I've got swatch sticks ready. Now we have this one here. It's a jelly nude. Now I know we all can make jelly nudes, but when you get a jelly nude, it's already done, right? So you don't need anyone to essentially make it for you. And there's a design that literally myself and my nail sister Envy have been talking about, and I'm gonna get to do it with this jelly nude. It's not that I couldn't do it before, but yeah, I wanted. Ooh, so this is a jelly black. Now I do have a jelly black temperature changing one from Born Pretty, and it goes, I think, grey, like a grey color, but it's got flakes in it. So again, I couldn't use it for the design I had in mind. So this is one coat, and I'm gonna just put that in the lamp. I mean, ideally for the design I would only use one, probably. I think two makes it quite opaque, so let's just put it over there. I'll have a look at it when it comes out. Now this one, I can't remember, as I said. Ooh, I see some shimmer in there. So it is Born Pretty. Ooh, is this? No, it's not color changing. I can't remember. Let's have a look. See what's in here. Oh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Oh, I love that. And you know, this is on a clear tip. I would definitely use this as a topper as well. I think it would look amazing. Oh, I love, love the iridescency in these glitters. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, this is different. Lots of shimmer there. So this is one coat of that jelly black. So this one, I think, should be a glow in the dark. Yep, says it on there, glow in dark gel. So this is the color. It's white. Now I didn't really want the other ones that just, look at that. It's gorgeous. Sorry. Yeah, and it's really translucent, so fairy-like. Ooh. Okay, so this one glows in the dark, and that's the other reason why I'm filming now, because it's actually nighttime. Alexa, what's the time? So it's 8:09 p.m. UK time, so you know that's dark. It's nighttime. So I'll be able to turn the lights off, and then we're going to check out the glow on this. Okay, so that one's white, so I'm just literally going to keep leaving it in that lamp. Every time I look over, I am going to turn the lamp back on. Oh Lord. Okay, so again, in the last video I did unbox a chrome, but it wasn't this one. This is the one I was actually after. So I spoke with my rep, and she sent me this one. Like, you can see how gorgeous it looks. Very, very, very unicorny. So I want to try it with this gel polish just to see. You know, didn't want to use black, just want to use, you know, a nice soft color to see what this chrome, this liquid chrome will do. Now, we did lots of experiments with this liquid chrome, and then I went back to the website, and the website says to use a no wipe top coat, but on the instructions I got with the chrome, liquid chrome, it said base coat. So I tried it with just the no wipe, and it worked. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this a good shake. But the thing is, I just remembered, when you turn it upside down, if you do, it really all goes to the lid, the cap. So it's probably better to do it side to side, but if you do give it that kind of shake, then definitely let it settle first. So I'm just gonna do, this coat, and I'm gonna let it dry. So I'm just gonna let that dry, just let that sit there. Now this one I'm ready to see if it glows in the dark, and that's spider gel. Let's see, is it cold or is it okay? There it is. It's really sticky, but it's so cool. Right, let's put this. I'm gonna close that while I wait for that nail to dry. Okay, so this stuff is so super sticky. Like, look at that. It's crazy. But I do love it because you can just do so many different things with this. And I know it's really sticky because a lot of people get put off by it because of how sticky it is, but you can just play with it. Like, literally just winding the last bit out of there. Now, it's that way. Okay. Now, while that spider gel is still wet, I'll sprinkle some of this on it. I have rubbed it in before, but I will say the nail, the black polish, I did wipe it with alcohol before I put the spider gel on it. And that's because even though it was a no wipe top coat that I used, sometimes these no wipe top coats can surprise us. So I just wiped it. That's not sharp. Okay, back to this nail, which is definitely dry now. I'm just going to do another. Like when you're putting this stuff on, it really looks like nothing is actually happening, but it is. And because it settles so quickly, like, don't be afraid to close it, give it a shake so all your chrome and everything can get back on the nail. I know I'm holding it at an angle, but that's just so I can see and make sure I've got it everywhere. Okay, so again, I'm just going to leave that to dry over there. Put this there actually, and we'll just dust off this nail. How awesome is that? And that's with the I'm just making sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to top coat the back of this, but that spider gel is absolutely just an amazing product. Like, you can do so much with it. So that chrome is ready now, so I'm still just using the gloved finger, and that's all I'm doing now. Just rubbing it into that nail, just like that. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful in this color. Guys, look how gorgeous that nail looks. You can see the chrome in it. Oh my goodness. I had some on my glove, the finger I used, and so I rubbed it on that nail, and I can see that chrome in it. Now this reflective glitter I got from Born Pretty. It's a Born Pretty reflective glitter. So yeah, this stuff looks awesome. Oh my gosh, love it. So I'm charging that now, and I'm going to turn the light off. So I'm just going to keep my fingers crossed that it does glow. Holy moly, it does glow. Wow, this is why I wanted the white, because I just thought, you know, we put white on nearly everything, but I love the glow. It's that blue glow, right? Ooh, this is cool. Now I'll tell you, I put some white stickers on there. I don't know what I thought, but I thought they glowed, but they don't. So that is gorgeous. So it glows, y'all. Can't believe it. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Feel free to use the discount codes I will share with you all. You get to save 10% when you shop at bornpretty.com. Wow, let's put this over there. Stuff's gorgeous. That glow is insane. Let me tell you the number of the white one. There you are. and that chrome. This is the one I wanted. It's the unicorn. It's a unicorn chrome, you might as well say. Goes that unicorn color. So that's why I was looking for something like this, just to see. It's the softest Born Pretty color I've got. Thank you all for watching. Mama, that's nails out. See you in the next one.